Former US Army intelligence whistleblower Chelsea Manning has been jailed for refusing to testify in front of a grand jury in a case against the WikiLeaks co-founder Julian Assange. Manning's lawyer says they'll appeal for her swift release.
This is an appealable order. Judge Hilton did find her in contempt in open court. Well, it was certainly a typical outcome for this kind of proceeding. As everybody knows, Chelsea has tremendous courage. Our primary concern at this point is her health while she is confined.
Well, Chelsea Manning first came to fame in 2010 after handing over classified sensitive military data to WikiLeaks. She was sentenced to 35 years in prison and spent 7 of them there before being commuted by then-President Obama. The whistleblower was aware she could be taken back into custody.
I have a history of having to deal with secrecy, and a lot of these secret proceedings, they tend to favor the government. They tend to allow things, nefarious goings on to happen. So I am in general opposition of this kind of proceeding taking place. I don't believe in the grand jury process. I don't believe in the secrecy of this. I have no problem explaining what happened. I've done it before. Why we should go through this in a secret, closed hearing with only the prosecutor, no lawyer.
This all stems from when Manning leaked more than 700,000 confidential documents and videos because she had profound questions about US foreign policy. Here's some of what she revealed. Veteran human rights campaigner Peter Tatchell says it's suspicious that the hearing was being conducted in secrecy.
What does the US government and judicial system have to hide? Why can't they conduct these hearings and these charges in open court? In this case, it's all being done in secret, which flies against the fundamental democratic judicial principle that justice should be open and transparent. And I think Chelsea Manning is quite right to shine a spotlight on the secrecy of the grand jury system and the way in which it is weighted towards the prosecution and against defendants. Julian Assange himself has been subject to secret grand jury hearings since 2010. He's never been allowed to know the charges against him or the evidence. He's not being given any kind of information whatsoever. And again, this is completely contrary to the basic fundamental principle of justice, that it should be open, transparent, and accountable.